Have you gotten a bike like this before?
No.
This is the first one of this kind in the United States. I think there might have been one in Hawaii.
I'm gonna laugh. They sent you like a lawnmower.
Yeah, it's just like totally not a bike. Uh-oh, it's about to come off. Ready?
With some bubble wrap.
Look at this. I've seen only pictures of this and videos. I don't know how big this is really going to be. The seat's bigger than I was expecting. Look at that wheel. Feels solid. Oh my god, I'm getting too excited to wait. I knew I was going to do that. Dude, I'm bleeding profusely.
Where'd it cut you?
I knew that was going to happen. What do? I give it pressure and then wait? Damn. That's pretty bad, dude.
Let me see. What's going on?
Hey there. Okay. I think that's good pressure. Damn. All right, that's good content. What do you say?
What was this? It wasn't strapped down. It's just strapped to shorten the suspension.
Yeah, they kind of just put it in the box. Ooh, that's heavy. Oh my god, it's so heavy. Look at these forks. I think these are sick with the red and gold.
You'll be fine. I would glue it.
Super glue?
That's what I do to like all my cuts.
But like, what about once it heals, then you got glue all over it?
Motherfucker, I've been mortified, 45, feeling like a Mordecai. I ain't regular, feel like Jordan wearing 45. Traumatized, victimized, seen some of my niggas die. Knock you off a base with a bat when them niggas slide. Homicide, genocide, televised.
This looks sick. But it did not come with instructions. So, alright, how do we turn this thing on? Maybe it's out of batteries. Where's this on-off switch? Accessing the motor controller unit. Oh my god, we're actually taking the whole thing apart just to see how to turn it on. This is so fun.
So it's not making good contact.
Okay, this might be the problem. This pin was loose.
It's like this, which means it's not making any contact anywhere.
Oh yeah. Wait, try it again, try it again. What? Come on! You put the duct tape on the battery and it turns on, bro.
Oh boy.
What kind of design is that? Do you think that's how it's supposed to work?
Yeah.
Oh, this is not good news.
Because look, it can't be any other wiring, right?
It's the battery, not
Watch
the...
how lightly...
No, that's so bad. Whoa. Whoa.
Thank God I was holding it up.
That caught me off guard. Okay.
Put the seat on there, baby.
Not everything went according to plan. The battery, there's probably a wire loose in it. So Domo's taking it back with him. He's going to do his magic. I'll see you then. Okay. We've got the battery fixed. There were a couple loose wires. This is a prototype, but again, not the best thing to see the battery not working out of the box. It's working now. The bike is on. It's got this wireless fob. Make some noises. Everything looks good. I mean, the suspension looks legit. The wheels, the frame. There's a bunch of different plastics options for this. It comes with the trial style. This is the moto style without the rear fender. Kind of looks like a surron. We're going to take it on a street ride to a dirt spot. Get a feel for both riding styles. Cannot wait. First Arctic Leopard in the country. Mainland United States. There we go. It's on. Why does it do that? It's like a puzzle to get it started. Oh my god. It's got 3 power levels. Okay, I'm with Sawyer. I'm gonna let him get geared up and then we're gonna rip. Let's go. Here we are in mode 1. Full throttle. Easily already stronger than surron. Or maybe exactly a surron. No, it's faster. Okay, I'm already really enjoying this. Let's go into mode 2. Whoa. Wow. Wow. What? Wow, I don't even want to go up above 2 right now. Here we go into mode 3. Whoa. When you hit the rear brake, it engages the regen. Oh my god, it's so torquey. We got Sawyer on his custom built e-skate. Wow, dude, this thing is crazy. Torquey as hell. Oh, I don't know if I can squeeze that with these bars. Damn. Thank you, thank you. I'm so impressed. I knew this was going to be stronger than a surron, but this is much stronger than a surron. This is almost more powerful than a 72-volt surron. So loud, do you hear that? Ooh, it's too loud. This sound is what it sounded like when I put the primary chain on my surron. Whoa, that was dangerous. Here we go. Oh man. Oh my god. Wow. Yes, we're off-roaded, baby. Yeah, it's deep. Whoa, whoa. Oh, that was going higher up than I wanted it to. So much power. Dude, dogs do not like these things. This dog's gonna be pissed. Nice, cool, he's cool. Uh-oh, hill climb right here. Oh, too easy. Too easy. Yeah. Damn, this is deceivingly steep. It is extremely steep. I gotta bring it down. Probably the best bet. There's no way. God damn it. Oh no. Got stuck. Damn. Oh man. Oh no. There goes the rear brake and the front brake. I just blew both the brakes. No way. They're both shot. Oh, you gotta get the truck for me, bro. What the fuck? Let's see if it runs. It still runs. But no brakes. Damn. Oh no, this was so fun. Okay, so we had a little bit of an accident. I was having so much fun with this bike. I was just getting started. We were gonna hit Sepulveda, keep doing some dirt riding. I'm gonna have to save that for another day. These brakes are both destroyed. I'm gonna have to rewatch the video. I don't know how that happened. The bike still runs. The plastics came off, but we could put those back on. My plan for this bike, I'm gonna put some street wheels on it, redo the brakes because I don't have a choice now, and see how this performs as like a street supermoto. But so far, dirt riding, it's fantastic. Okay, final update. I'm actually able to ride back. Let's go. The front brake somehow gained pressure. It's working now, and the rear brake is still connected to the regen, so when I hit it, the bike slows down. I love this bike. It's so powerful. It's so jumpy. I cannot wait to fix up what I just broke and make some more videos with this, so stay tuned for more Arctic Leopard content. As always, thank you so much for watching. As I do.